Hello everyone, this is Vikas Kumar and I'm again here with another video. And as usual in this video I'll be sharing my views on a quote, and that quote is TLS quote of the day. And today it is really interesting and a motivating one, and that says that do what you can with what you have where you are. And it is by Theodore Roosevelt. I don't know how to pronounce. Okay, Theodore Roosevelt. So, if we will take the first line of the quote, that says that do what you can. So, the question arises: what can we do? What are the limitations that, these are the limitation, these are the bounding, these are the benchmark. We can only go till here, not above than that. So let's think about it. And what I'm getting is that what we can do is we can do the things which we believe that we can do, because without belief, if we are thinking that we will achieve this, we will achieve that, we don't have belief on ourselves, and we are practicing something, we are practicing every day, we are giving efforts to it, but we are not believing that we will achieve that thing, then we will not be able to achieve that. And if we believe that I will do this, I will definitely gonna do this, then the thing will become really small, and it is more likely to get achieved. So what we can do is infinite, you can say. There are much possibilities, many possibilities beyond our imagination as well, but the things, the limits that we make, we will achieve only till that. So to achieve more, or to do, like the quote says, that what you can do what you can. So what we can do is anything, but the thing is that we have to make the limits. We have to cross our limits, we have to put the benchmark at a really high height, then only we will be able to achieve it. Okay, so the second line is that with what you have. So what we have, maybe we must be having some resources, and maybe those are helpful for achieving that or not. And like we all have the resources, if we are from middle class family, we are having 2 times or 3 times of food, we are having clothes, shelter, and all those things. Maybe these things are enough to achieve much of the things, but we are not putting efforts. So in the quote, Theodore, he says that whatever we have, try to achieve the things, whatever we want to do, try to do those things with what we have only, not to start tempting for, like, I should have that, then I will start doing something, then I will try to achieve that thing, then I will try to do that thing. What we have right now is enough. The main thing is that we have to believe that what we have is enough, and things will work, and start doing the thing. Then things get easier with day by day. And remember, the first step is the hardest step. So don't forget that. And I'm also saying these things to me as well, so that I will be able to achieve more, or because this is a really good quote. And the third thing he says is that where you are. So it doesn't matter where you are right now, wherever you are, you can achieve, you can do the things, whatever you want to do. Whatever the limits you have set, you can only achieve within that limits. If you want to achieve more, then you have to think, you have to believe that I will achieve more, then only you will be able to achieve. Because if we take some example of 100%, like if we think that we can only do till 80%, so we will be able to do only till 80%. We will never go beyond 80%. Why? Because we have made the limits, we have set the target that we can only do till 80. That means we will never be able to cross that 80% of the mark with any work, whatever we are doing. So first of all, that first thing is that set the limits beyond what is your imagination, because that makes your mind gets prepared, because of that, to achieve the things which we have made the limits. So make the limits really big. Second thing is that do the thing with what you have. Whatever we have right now is enough. We have to believe that whatever we have right now is enough. When we believe that and we started doing the work with the resources we are having right now, things get easier. Third thing is that wherever you are, it doesn't matter wherever you are, think about the things. Imagine that where you want to go. Imagine the place, imagine the things that I will be there, or something like that. Because if I'll say one thing, that whatever work we do, first we imagine that work. Even if we want to take a glass of water, then as well it is like it is repeated many times. We have repeated that many times in our life, like going and taking a glass of water. But the first time we had done that, we might have gone there and took the glass, and next time what we do is that we imagine the last time how we did that. And if in our imagination the last time we did well, that means that this time also we will repeat the same thing. So imagination is really important. If we are imagining something, that means we are likely to do it really better. Imagination is really much powerful. I can't stress this enough, because whatever we are doing, if we are imagining it, then that will result in really good results. Why? Because when we imagine the thing, we imagine the pattern in our brain. There are some things, as most of the things I'll read sometime, like if we are imagining something, then our mind makes the pattern in our brain, that okay, this is the pattern, or this is how I will go there, I will come back. So that's why people say that in morning practice meditation and all. Why? Because when we do meditation, sometimes we imagine the stuff that in the whole day we will do this. If only in 5 minutes in the morning, what we will do is that we imagine the things that in that next 1 hour I will do this. That will result that we are more likely to do that in that hour, because we have imagined that. If we are giving 10 minutes with closing our eyes, and we are imagining that in the whole day I will do this, after this I will do that, after this I will do that, after this I will do that, that means that we are more likely to follow that footprints only which we have imagined. And if we haven't imagined anything, we haven't planned our day or anything, that means that everything is like scattered all around. We don't know if in the first hour of the day we will go here, then we will move here, then we will move here, then we will move here. No one knows wherever we go. But in this scattered, this clean field, if what we are doing is imagining something, that means we are making a specific path. And if we have made that path in our mind first, that means when we will practice that in reality, we will be able to follow the same footprint and get there. So this is the power of imagination. I got this while explaining the thought, so I also shared this with you all. Thank you. And coming back to the quote again, do what you can. We can do anything. Do with what you have, the things we have right now. If we have the mindset, if we will believe this thing, we will take the mindset that whatever I am having right now is enough for me to get where I want to go. Where I want to go, that is also said by me. The things which I am having, it is not like, maybe it doesn't depend on you. You are having the things, but if we will make a mindset that whatever I am having right now, I am gonna achieve the target whatever I have set in with these resources, then we will be able to achieve that. Okay. And the third thing is that wherever you are, that means that it doesn't matter wherever you are, and things will get achieved. So this is a quote. And if I will take the summary, then summary says for that we can achieve anything with whatever we have right now and wherever we are. That means that make the limitations and go for it and start doing, and things get easier with step by step. First step is always hard. This is the summary of this quote. I think I took more time today. Okay, that's accepted, I guess. Thank you.